Reagan, did you have fun playing soccer?
I don't know why. I got a trophy.
Yeah. It's a cool trophy, though.
What?
It's a cool trophy. Let me see it. Wow. Do you want to play soccer again next year?
I really want to, but this is the last game.
This is the last game, but what about next year? He's kicking the ball over the net, or the fence.
Daddy, why did you kick the ball over the fence?
You want to see someone that enjoyed their cupcake? There you go.
Let's see your cupcake, Mace. Oh God, but there's some left on your shirt and your pants.
I'm here to go.
So Reagan, next year, do you want to play soccer?
I would, yeah.
Do you want to do this all over and do it again?
Okay.
Yeah? What's your favorite thing about soccer?
I'm getting a trophy.
Getting a trophy.
Look, I heard Coach, this is a game trophy.
That's a game trophy.
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Reagan's asking why she got a trophy.
Because you played so hard, and you tried so hard, and you did such a good job.
What should we do now, Reagan?
I eat one snack.
All right.
You just had a whole cupcake.